How to share Dropbox file with link. So I'm going to first take a few files right here and upload them to my Dropbox folder right here. I will hover over and drag and drop. So here they are uploading. So let me close this. Okay, so you can either do this for individual files or the whole folder. So if you want to share, for example, this file only, come here, click on share, then click on the settings cog. All right, now what you're going to do is click on a link for viewing and create a link. Okay, and now anyone with the link will be able to view, or you can only do this for people that are invited. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, and anyone who can view the link can go ahead and get this file. Now, if you want to do this for the whole folder, if you want to share these files like this, click on the settings cog, click on manage permissions, and then here for links, you'll see link for editing, link for viewing. You can go ahead and click on settings and then create a link for editing the same way we did for the other one. Just copy the link and share it. It's really that easy and simple, guys.